Merchant vessels. As world trade has expanded, the volume of cargo carried by ships has also increased. At the same time, the transport industry has become more efficient. These developments have encouraged the construction of special purpose ships, such as the ore carrier, which carries iron ore or copper ore, for example, or the bulk carrier, made for carrying large quantities of unorganized materials such as wood or sand. There are also tankers, oil tankers. Oil tankers can be VLCC, very large crude carriers, for units over 160,000 deadweight tons. They can also be ULCC, ultra-large crude carrier, for units over 320,000 deadweight tons. Another type of special purpose ship is the LNG tanker. LNG tanker stands for liquefied natural gas. LPG tanker stands for liquefied petroleum gas. These ships are often nicknamed camelback ships. A smaller type of tanker is the chemical tanker. It is smaller because of the dangerous nature of its cargo. Now consider the passenger liner, also known as the ocean liner or cruise liner. These are very large ships designed to carry up to 5,000 passengers and crew. This is a reefer. A reefer is a refrigerated ship. It is used to transport perishable cargo, such as fruit, for example. This ship is a tug. A tug is a powerful unit that assists other ships in their maneuvers. This is a dredger. A dredger excavates the bottom of the ocean or sucks up mud and sediment from a river mouth. This is a cable layer or cable laying ship. It is used to lay underwater cables or pipes. This is an icebreaker. An icebreaker is a very sturdy unit used to break open a route through the ice. Some icebreakers today have nuclear propulsion. This is a floating crane. It is used in a harbor to lift heavy equipment. This is a fishery factory ship. It is like a floating factory. The heavy lift cargo ship can lift very heavy loads. This one, for example, can lift an entire oil rig. Another very famous type of ship is the Ro-Ro ferry. Ro-Ro stands for roll on, roll off. It is a ship built with a bow and stern door and adjustable steer ramp, which permit the vehicles to drive on board and drive off again, requiring only very minimal dockside facilities. And of course, the most famous, the most common type of ship is the container ship. The container ship is used to transport containerized cargo. A container ship has a high service speed and a rapid turnaround time. The capacity of a container vessel is measured in TEU, which stands for 20-foot equivalent unit. This is the equivalent of 20 feet containers that the vessel can transport. The largest container vessels today have a capacity over 17,000 TEUs.